Secondary DIY glazing have a range of magnetic glazing systems providing cost-effective heat and noise insulation while also allowing easy access to your original windows. Use internally with plastic sheets, but avoid ceiling or roof windows and opening doors for safety reasons. Please pick from the following options. Magnetglaze is a simple system using 12.5mm wide tapes. The white face metal strip is stuck around a window frame and a magnetic tape is attached to the secondary pane. The glazing can be removed and replaced easily, and the appearance can be enhanced with finishing trim if required. For larger or draughtier windows, we have Magnetglaze Extreme, which functions in the same manner, but the tapes used are 25mm wide for substantial extra grip. Magnetglaze Pro uses the same tapes attached to a plastic capping that fits over the edge of the sheet. It can be neatly mitered to give a smarter, more professional finish. Magnetglaze Pro Extreme again uses the same method of fixing as the Magnetglaze Pro, but with a wider 25mm tapes for larger windows, and it can only be used for sheets that are 4 to 6mm in thickness due to the size of the capping. We also have a Sash add-on kit that can be used alongside any of the magnetic systems to create a split pane fitting. This allows you to join two sheets at a required height to match the original framework while maintaining a thermal seal. Hingeglaze uses a combination of screwed-in hinges and magnets to provide easy access and insulation. It's designed for use with 4mm thickness plastic sheet and 25mm wide Magnetglaze Extreme. Finishing trim can also be added for a smarter framed effect. While the screwed-in hinges provide a secure fixing, we still only recommend that this system be fitted internally to a fixed frame and not at ceiling or roof windows. For more detailed videos and information on these systems, please visit their individual product pages.